Introducing the Motif Roam, our durable, flexible breast pump designed for busy moms, featuring collection cups and specialized modes developed by Lactation Professionals. It supports your unique pumping journey. Compact and portable, the Roam is perfect for pumping anytime, anywhere. Part 1, Introduction and Assembly. First, let's go over what's included and how to assemble the Motif Roam. Inside the box, you'll find 1 breast pump motor, 2 tubing, 2 tubing connectors, 2 diaphragms, 4 valves, flange inserts 16, 19, 21, 24 mm, 2 collection cups, 2 breast shields, 1 lanyard, 1 USB-C charging cable, 1 power adapter, 1 nipple ruler, a user manual. Before your first use, make sure to clean and sanitize all pump parts that will come into contact with breast milk. Do not wash the charging cable or tubing. To charge your Motif Roam, insert the USB cable into the power adapter, then connect to the charging port located at the bottom of the pump and plug it into a power source. Take the diaphragm and attach it to the plastic flange. Ensure it's securely in place. Next, attach the valve to the plastic flange. Push firmly to make sure it's properly connected. Now, attach the collection cup to the plastic flange. It should click into place easily. After determining your flange size, insert the silicone flange insert into the collection cup. This provides a better fit and comfort. Take the tubing with the green connector and attach it to the collection cup. The green connector should already be attached to the tubing, but you can remove it and reattach it if necessary. Finally, connect the other end of the tubing to your pump. When single pumping, block the other port. Our collection cups are compatible with most Motif breast pumps and bras. Repeat these steps with the other collection cup if you're setting up for double pumping. Your collection cups are now assembled and ready for use. Part 2. Fitting your flanges. Pumping should not hurt. Use these steps to find the right fit for your Motif Roam breast shield. 1. Measure the diameter of your nipple in millimeters at the base, excluding the areola. 2. Add 0 to 3 millimeters to your measurement to determine your breast shield size. The Motif Roam includes 2 28mm breast shields and 2 16mm, 19mm, 21mm, and 24mm silicone inserts. Discomfort, redness, or unexpressed milk may indicate an improper fit. If you're unsure about your size, consult a healthcare professional or contact a Motif medical representative for support. Part 3. Features and functions. With your Motif Roam assembled, let's explore its features. Power button. Long press to turn the pump on or off. The screen will light up, and the pump will automatically begin in massage mode at level 1. Mode button M. Press to switch between modes. Massage mode. Stimulates letdown with 5 adjustable suction levels. Expression mode. Designed for efficient milk expression with 5 levels. Cluster feeding mode. Helps increase milk production by mimicking the natural nursing pattern of a baby feeding in short, frequent bursts. This mode has 5 levels. General pumping mode. This program starts in massage mode and automatically switches to expression mode. This repeats twice for 2 letdowns to help express the most milk. Adjust suction levels. Use the plus and minus buttons to find a comfortable suction level. Avoid setting it too high to prevent discomfort. Battery. Charge the battery immediately when the battery symbol is flashing on the screen. If you have any questions or need assistance, our customer service team is here to help. Part 4. operating and pumping. To begin pumping, 1. Wash your hands thoroughly with soap and warm water. 2. Make sure the pump is assembled correctly and the collection cup is sealed. 3. When placing the breast shield on your breast, ensure your nipple is centered in the tunnel. 4. For double pumping, repeat for the other breast. Adjust both cups for a secure and comfortable fit. Proper breast shield positioning and sizing are essential to avoid discomfort or pain. If you experience any issues, use the Nipple Ruler and try a different size silicone insert. 5. Long press the power button to start pumping. The breast pump begins in massage mode in level 1. 6. Press the mode button to switch modes. There are 4 modes: massage, expression, cluster feeding, and general pumping. 7. Adjust the suction strength by pressing the plus or minus button to find a comfortable setting. Massage and cluster feeding modes have 5 levels, while expression and general pumping modes have 9 levels. 8. When your pumping session is over, long press the power button to turn the breast pump off. Please note the pump will automatically stop after 30 minutes. If you have any questions or need assistance, don't hesitate to contact our customer service team at hello@motifmedical.com. For personalized support, consider consulting a certified lactation consultant to ensure you're getting the best possible guidance for your breastfeeding journey. Motif Medical is here to support you every step of the way.